This is a dot gain. Dot gain means this you have designed. When it's printed on an offset press, 8% blurriness or dot gain you will achieve automatically due to is a press blanket to the plate is the some compression is there, so the dot become bigger. And as far as flexo is concerned, the dot gain is almost 25%. So you have to reduce your thing accordingly so that you can achieve that goal. So as far as screen printing is concerned, the dot will maybe increase by 40%. So that system that we are providing will help you and guide you how to reduce this thing to achieve this thing, because this have to happen during exposing and printing. So printing in CMYK is using cyan, magenta, yellow and black plates, and these are different story. Here there is only 12 colors we have, and out of 12 colors we'll print like underbase white, light brown, dark blue, light blue, and after 5 colors you'll get a different type of printing. This is called simulated printing. Here normal, most of the person are printing like this way or this way. This is CMYK. They are trying to print using color draw separation. Not good. The color will be dull because we got tertiary color. Tertiary color we not required during this process. If you are printing in tertiary color, the color will be muddy and it will be, bhar jayega sara aur sara printing bekar dekhiye. So 2 color printing is okay. You can do easily, no problem. Even laser printer you can do. But if you want to print like this, there is no CMYK. If you can see, this is gray, white, beige, light brown, dark brown. This kind of stuff. Even we can eliminate 1 or 2 colors from this palette. This kind of printing you can print. Most of the time it's like 3 to 5 colors you have to print. If you have special color like purple or some special spot color you need, you can print 1 or 2 more colors to achieve this result. This type of system you can use to print a beautiful direct to garment look printing on your fabric. Now these are the exposures, frames, coating and normal exposure, this kind of stuff. If somebody have any issue, any problem getting this equipments, we can help. A lot of people are selling in Delhi, and there you can find yourself online. And if you have any problem, like which size you need, what type of system you required, we can assist you. This is table printing. Normally factories in Ludhiana using this one. And this is for water-based printing. It's very important. You can use this. This is manual press. This is automatic from Graphica. So the complete process is like you have to imagine the design, you have to make the design, then you have to separate, then expose, then make the frames, put the frames to this machine or this type of manual work or automatic machine, you'll get the desired result. So this is the screen printing work. Now this is illustration. Now I'll share you how to separate in this software. Now I'm stop sharing my screen. I will share now a different screen. It's a practical example. Okay. Now see the magic of this thing, how it can help you. See, I am using some picture of a human face so that you can recognize what is going on. Because it's easy to see if there is a human face. I am just making a duplicate copy of this thing. Sample 2, 1. Okay, now we have 2 pictures side by side, the same thing. See, these are 2 designs we have. I'm just concern about the design. Just look the faces and the shirt and the garment. See, I'm just using one click. This one is my one click. I'm working on this design. I'm doing one click. This is my one click. This is my second click, and this is my third click. I have just used 3 clicks to make this design much better way. If now forget about the face, now I am zooming on it. How many people can see the design is now much vibrant, much clear, much better than before, and it's good for printing. Great. This software will help you to design in a better way. See, before, after. Now, a second example. Suppose I have this design. This is a practical design of a t-shirt. I'm using the same process here. Basic and black corrections, shadows. This design is now become very vibrant. If you need to make it better, you can do it only by 3 clicks. Now we are trying to make it here. See the channels. Now we make a process to separate in spot color. It will take less than 1 minute to separate it for you. And this is the beautiful part. Using CMYK, I mean using Coral CMYK, you can only print paper. You cannot get quality on the fabric or the garment because it's a different thing. You need a underbase for that, and that underbase will be like pixel underbase. Like there is a 1 pixel behind a color pixel of white color. It will give you a good result. Now this thing we got after separation. Now we will see there are a lot of other things we got here. Here is white. We don't need more colors. See, this is t-shirt color. You can change the color according to your need. This is the white underbase. This is yellow, royal blue, light blue. We need this blue. Green, there is no green, so we don't need this green. This red we need. Magenta we need. There is some detail in magenta here. If somebody need more detail, then it's okay. Otherwise, it can merge. This flash color is also affecting this. Okay, brown we don't need brown. Even we don't need gray at all. We don't need highlight white. Now, how many colors we have now? See, there are 8 colors. On black, we don't have to print black. On white, we don't have to print underbase. So 7 color left. Now magenta. If we remove magenta, see, this detail will lose. This detail will lose here. And if we can remove this, we can add this flash into magenta. Okay, now this time we don't need it. Black, without black, we cannot print it. Magenta, without magenta, we can print it. If we merge this information into red. Again, light blue we have to use. Yellow, yes, yellow we need. We don't. Okay, now this is 6 color design. Here you can see separately. This is 1. When we printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At this point, I have did nothing to fix this. This is my separated design, and this was my basic design, and I have boosted. Let me make it the same thing. Basic, I get on that.
Like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here.
See, this was the design we have started, and this was the separation we got. Now this separation we can adjust. Here we can see more yellow, so yellow we can adjust as per we require. Here we can adjust. See. Now color is almost matching. Blue is vibrant, and when it will printed, it will be, look good. And here we need a detail. So black is the color which gives us more detail. So here I am using my burn tool and selecting my black and adding a detail where I need it. See, in using this process, I can even make more dots for me which cannot able to expose during screen printing. Like I'll show you. This is my data of the black channel. Here some dots are less than 15. I have to see these dots are very less saturated, and I know that there is something information here which I need specially need to be printed. It shouldn't be lost. So I can make manual separation here, and overall when you say this left designing and the right designing, I can even make it 100% same, but for this thing you are okay first. Okay. This is the separation, and this is the original image. This is not CMYK, brother. You can see here is a yellow, royal blue, light blue, red, magenta. This thing magenta, if you don't want to print, this magenta can add it to red. So overall this 5 color will give you this result, and if you print 6 color, you will get entirely different tone which is very close to the original design. Even when it will be printed, it will print much better than the original design. I mean, the vibrancy, the sharpness will be great. That's how you can separate your color, and after separating it, you have to do nothing except you have to put a registration mark. You just try to add just one click and continue. You have to select the size, and in a just single click you will get your design with the registered marks. See here. Now the final thing, just check it. Go to here and split the channels. Wait, here these are channel options, split channels, and when you split these channels, you will get the separation all the way this way. You have. Now you can save it. Give the print command to your printer using that rip, and finally you will get this thing done automatically. How much time it will take? Less than 15 minutes. The marks are ready, the design is ready, 5 color automatic separation I have done in front of you. So the software can help you this way. Now again I have to go to my slides. So you have seen this software can help you to separate for your CMYK. You don't need to buy an automatic machine. This, when you print this thing on table or any transfer sticker, when you make using this separation, even you can print on leather. Yes, you can print on leather. You can make underbase white and further separation on that underbase white, and you'll get amazing results. You have to separate and make the films and burn into the screen and finally print on any subtrace substrate you want to print. Again, further, if you can see, this is CMYK design, cyan magenta, only for white kind of especially garments or light color of fabric. This is CMYK, but this CMYK is for textile printing. This CMYK is separated in a different way, and this file I have separated just 2 days ago, and this is the original file, and this is a separated file. Here you can see process yellow, process magenta, process cyan, and one underbase white will also generated within this design. And these are the options where you can print duotones and tritones using a single. This is beautiful thing for black and white printing. Black and white means when you have to print grayscale, if you print in black, it will come nothing. It will come like a black flat image. But if you want to print grayscale, you have to use light gray, dark gray, and black. The result will be amazing. Wonderful.